My current pre-workout, here it is. Orange juice, cream of wheat hot cereal, Stardust albacore tuna, 2 egg yolks, 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, 5 grams of BCAAs, 1 vitamin D3 pill, and instant coffee. Now here's my reasoning for selecting these food choices. I will start off with the cream of wheat and the orange juice because that is my choice of carbohydrates. The first reason is that they are very cost efficient, with orange juice costing 15 cents per 10 grams of carbs and cream of wheat costing 6 cents per 10 grams of carbs in my hometown. And the second reason is because of the vitamins and minerals that these foods contain. Orange juice is very high in vitamin C, and the cream of wheat is very high in iron. The cool thing about this is that vitamin C and iron go incredibly well together. Vitamin C, according to a lot of information that I found on the internet, will increase the absorption of iron. And iron's two main jobs are to transport blood and oxygen into the body and to increase red blood cells, which should increase training performance. Now moving on to the protein source of choice, albacore tuna. This particular brand of albacore tuna that I am using also has powerful vitamins and minerals that can create a great training session with 580 milligrams of omega-3s to increase focus and increase joint health and maybe, just maybe, create fat loss. It is also super high in vitamin B12, used for red blood cell formation, vitamin B6 for increased mood and focus, niacin, also called vitamin B3, for energy, and selenium for improved mood and focus. Another thing I like about albacore tuna is that it has no carbs and about 1 gram of fat to help me get the macros right on my pre-workout. Now I would like to move on to my fat source, which is 2 raw egg yolks. Now before I say any more, there are a lot of people who think that having fat pre-workout is bad, but I am going with 10 grams of fat because according to John Meadows, around 10 grams of fat will create a steady insulin increase instead of a super fast increase, which could lead to a crash later on, and so far it has worked well for me. Not sure if it will work well for you or not. You are going to have to try it and see how you feel and perform. Now back to the egg yolks. Here you can see the nutritional label, and as you can see, the egg yolk packs a lot of vitamins and minerals. Riboflavin, also called vitamin B2, for muscle healing and increasing red blood cell production. Vitamin B12, biotin, which is also called vitamin B7, which helps convert nutrients into energy, and pantothenic acid, which is also called vitamin B5, which creates red blood cells, synthesizes cholesterol, and helps with hormone regulation. It also has selenium, which has, as I said before, improves mood and focus. So you can see a trend here with the foods I am using. High in the B vitamins and iron to maximize training performance and to have the best mood and focus to execute the exercise to the best of my ability. Now I will talk about the 4 supplements that I am currently using. The first one is caffeine. I use instant coffee and I take 1 teaspoon, which is 56 milligrams of caffeine. I have discovered that I do not need a lot of caffeine because naturally I am pretty high strung. I guess this is a supplement you have to try out to see how you respond. The second supplement is creatine monohydrate. I am taking 5 grams to help with strength since I am trying to build muscle. The third is branched chain amino acids. I am taking 6 grams to help boost muscle growth and increase performance. And the last supplement that I'm using is a vitamin D3 supplement to help with brain function and during the session because I get very little sunlight. Now here are 3 issues that I would like to add before I go. Number 1, this is not the best tasting pre-workout in the world. If you are looking for something that is super tasty, this is not the pre-workout for you. Number 2, it is kind of a hassle to prepare. You have to crack the eggs and take the yolks out. You have to measure the orange juice, the tuna, and the cream of wheat. And you have to scoop in the creatine, the BCAAs, and the instant coffee. And the third thing that I would like to add is for the oranges, I tried using actual navel oranges. But as you can see here, it is a pain to peel them and pull the orange out of the skin. I found it to be much easier just using orange juice and measuring it on my food scale. Now this video is not intended for you to do what I am currently doing. I am just showing you guys what I am currently doing. This is always subject to change, and I'm sure that I will make adjustments after I get my blood test next month. And I may add things. I may take things away to cut costs or to remove things that I just don't need or are just a waste. So that's all I got to say in this video, guys. Don't forget to comment on this video and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace!